Welcome to 2120 Messina Place. Let me show you through. Hi, this is Barbara from Compass. Hey, I'm at my open house today. It is November 22nd, and I'll be here from 1 to 3 today, and I will be here from 1 to 3 tomorrow. I'm going to show you a little bit of a personal tour of my listing here. As you can tell, it's on a cul-de-sac. We are in Monterey, 2120 Messina Place in Monterey. It is a lovely, really traditionally laid out property, all one ranch style, one level, and the lot is one level also. Bonus about this property as we walk in, it's a small house. The best thing, before I go further, you see that sun? We are in the sunbelt of Monterey. If you're not familiar with Monterey, we are right off of Highway 68 in the sunbelt. Maybe 5 minutes to downtown, and the ocean's that way. 5 minutes to the ocean in downtown Monterey. It can be foggy there and it'll be sunny here. It's called Fisherman's Flats is a neighborhood. It's a lovely community. Built in 1961. So let's walk through it real quick. Kind of a wide galley kitchen, okay? Updated cabinets. These is probably done in, I'm guessing, about 2000. Brand new appliances. Has a workstation in here, which is nice in a smaller house. Very, very useful space. Okay, you have a breakfast bar. You have a pass-through fireplace from the dining area. She has puppies, so she has her dining room table over there. This house is being lived in. This is not staged. And so you have a pass-through fireplace. We're going to go through the house with these lovely picture windows, which really actually not only do they bring in the sun and the natural light, actually helps this house feel a little bit bigger than it is. Okay, so this is a great space. Your living room, dining room, pass-through fireplace. You can burn wood because it's been in here. It's already here. So this is what the room is when you come in. Now, if you're walking in, kind of came in wonky. If you walk into this entryway, this is really a wide entryway here, which is nice. Hall closet. Looks like a furnace, but it's not. It's a hall closet. And really nice size family room with a dining kind of off the space there and the kitchen. Okay. A normal size hallway here. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. This bath has been updated with a skylight. Everything is compliant, low flow toilets. Here we have an office room that she has. It's the 3rd bedroom. There is a closet there. Here is the guest bedroom. Closet space. Windows have been updated and they have plantation shutters. The house is really freshly painted. She bought this a year ago, so she decided she's going to be moving out of state. So that's why she's selling it this time. Nice size primary bedroom. Once again, updated windows, updated window coverings, plantation shutters, shower stall for the primary shower. It's small, but works well. Pantry here, all these built-ins, but nice size. It feels very spacious, actually, for a 1,351 square foot house. What I really want to, the bonus of this property, the bonus is this neighborhood. It's the sunbelt. It is this level. This space is just great. It's open and flows really well. But the bonus actually is this level lot. We're almost on a 1/4 acre lot. It's over 10,000 square feet. I've been in most of the houses in Monterey Monterey Pacific Grove this last few weeks with clients. I have not seen a level lot that looks like this in a long time. So why, people are looking to add on to these houses. This one's very easy to add on to because it is all level. Okay. Just a great footprint. what has already been added on to begin with is, we're going to come in this back way, is this workshop. So the bonus of this property is this level lot of almost a 1/4 acre, and this workshop that has been already added on to the garage. And the third bonus to this property is, in Monterey, you need water. You need water credits to do any building. Water credits are like gold in this area. This house has been certified with how many water credits it actually receives. And so I contacted the Water Management District this last week, and they said if we make changes within the water that they currently have, and upgrade those credits, we will have enough credits to build an ADU, which has a perfect footprint out through this space right here to develop this property or extend this workshop. Anyway, great space. Super sized garage, so you have 2 really full-size trucks can fit in here, and you still have space off to the side for toys, workbench, but you don't need that because you can use your work space back there. That's how you enter back into the house. This is priced at $1,259,000. Disclosures and inspections are available. I will put in the description here the property link, and if you're interested in knowing more about this house or any other houses in Monterey County, the Bay Area, I work there also, please give me a call and reach out to me. Have a great day.